morning and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices edged up to a one-week high as traders expected a lack of progress on a Ukraine peace deal to keep sanctions in place against Moscow. While a weekly report showed growing US oil consumption, technology shares boosted US stocks to a higher close as investors, lacking economic data during the government shutdown, looked to minutes from the Federal Reserve's most recent policy meeting for clues to the outlook for interest rates. Ethereum recorded its largest validator exit on record this week, with more than 2.4 million Ether worth over $10 billion awaiting withdrawal from its proof-of-stake network. But institutional participants are replacing much of that in the validator entry queue.
The euro-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial market.